First of all, hi everyone. This is a leadership workshop, but it's applicable to anything and everything because you know by now that I like to talk about stepping out of our minds to see why we do what we do and how we can make it better. I want to give you in this workshop a new perspective on leading other people through change. If you haven't been in my morning keynotes, just a brief synopsis, people are having a tremendous challenge when it comes to change. People basically say, I don't want to do things differently. And then what we talked about was why. Why do people resist change? Why would they come and say, don't come to me with your new ideas, let me live with my old way of doing things. If you guys are all my leaders and I'm on your team and you come to me and you say, okay, listen, Michelle, we have this new technology. It's really great. It will make your life so much easier. I go inside my heart, oh no, I don't want to learn new technology. I know that I know the old ways. So there I'm good. So by asking me to adopt to anything new, you're basically threatening, not only that you're asking me to make more effort in learning things, put that aside, you're threatening my position, you're threatening my perception of myself as a capable and powerful and great human being. I don't like that. It's really great because we're going to pass it around. Yes. Okay. So just hold it and then speak and then it does its thing. I don't know. I want to play a game. I need volunteers. I knew you were going to laugh. And just like slow. Let's just get it done. And is that you? What am I going to do? I was on the team. I was just working a little slower. And all of a sudden, you know, this is out of control. You know, you're going to get a volunteer. See, if we switch, you can, it's over there. I don't want to talk on behalf of other people, but I got to tell you.
We recognize you're putting in so much work and time to the company, and we appreciate that.
Well, a big round of applause. You're amazing. Thank you. I have to give you that. Thank you. Why this was so good. You tell me, why was this so good? I look at the role of leaders when it comes to change, and I talk to leaders all the time, and what I'm hearing for the most part is a huge amount of frustration. Because you come as a leader, and you have all these great things that you want to implement that will make everybody's life better. And then you get this bunch of people, or a certain percentage of the people, that dig their heels in the ground and resent you. If you ask me, what am I seeing over and over and over and over again in companies when it comes to change, it's always some kind of lack of clarity. If your job as leaders can be defined in one more way, it would be the translator. Be really clear about the benefits of the change. And if you want to really fine-tune this,